it's Megan with WTI, and a couple of years ago, after thinking about it for a really long time, I decided to get the second piercing done in my ear. No, I'm not very decisive or adventurous, but something that helped my second piercing to heal is this Dr. Pierce ear piercing cleanser. I feel like it took a surprisingly long time for my piercing to heal, and often when I would have my earring in my second piercing, it would get kind of sore. But I always found that when I applied this cleanser, that it really soothed my piercing, and also the redness and the soreness would go away. Like a lot of people, I don't like to apply a cleanser to a wound that is going to sting. So I was so happy that this cleanser does not sting at all. I don't even need to take my earrings out to use this cleanser. I just drop a few drops of it onto a Q-tip, and then I use the Q-tip to swab my piercing and my earring. This Dr. Pierce cleanser really helped to alleviate the irritation of my new piercing, and it also helped to speed up the healing. And that's my point of view.